The South Carolina Department of Transportation has completed repair work to the pedestrian walkway adjacent to North Lake Drive, or SC6, over the Lake Murray Dam in Lexington County. When damage to the walkway was discovered earlier this summer, SCDOT closed off a portion of the walkway to make repairs. With SCDOT's repairs complete, the walkway is open across the entire length of the dam from both the Irmo and Lexington sides and ready for foot traffic. It's been a hot summer, so if you head out to the walkway, please protect yourself from the sun and the heat, but please enjoy your walk.